Hi guys, this is Julie, and today in this video, I am going to destroy Windows 8.1 because why not? So, we're going to delete some system files and as well as registry keys. And let me eject the VirtualBox guest editions from here. Okay, so, we are going to do that, so we are going to go into Windows folder. Now first, let's just start opening programs, because I realize when you open stuff, it gets really interesting. Oh, just opened another one of those. So we're just going to start opening things. Whoa, stop doing that, Windows 8. Oh my gosh, it's being annoying with us. So, just thought, why not open a bunch of stuff? And now it's open the internet. What? Okay, that's weird. So let's go into System 32. Where is System 32? So we're going to open a bunch of files in System 32. So let's start with the Z's, because we never seem to get to the Z's ever. Because there's a lot of interesting things in the Z's. So we're just... Whoa, more things opening. So we're just going to keep opening stuff. That way a bunch of things are running in the background as we destroy it. Oh, wow. More crazy nonsense. So we're just first of all just going to open a bunch of stuff, and then we're going to act, and this will at least make it even more fun to destroy. When a bunch of programs are running. Oh, where was I? Okay. So we're just gonna keep opening a bunch of stuff. And this is gonna be fun. So. Wait, it's got a video. Let's see what the video is. I never seen this. It's probably something silly, I assume. Oh, it can't play. Okay. That's cool. Certain things don't want to run. A bunch of Windows stuff is in W's, so that's another reason why I want to run the W's. So pretty soon we're just going to start going in regedit and we're just going to start deleting stuff. This is just going to make it even more interesting. Because you're going to see some really interesting stuff if you start opening this stuff. So. See, I keep losing where I am because there's so many things open. How come some of these just open another Windows Explorer? Okay, in just a second. Okay, let's stop. Okay. Oh. I don't know what just happened, but okay. I think that was like to lock the computer down. Oh my gosh, it looks like we're in Windows 7 now, so I guess that was not a good thing to run. See, okay, it looks like it's fixing itself. Okay, there we go. Let's stop. Okay. Let's go to regedit. Actually, I wanted to keep System 32 open. Why did I close it? I think we ran too many things. Okay. regedit. Here we go. Okay. So let's go. Ooh, let's go in here. Let me postpone that. Okay. Looks like I already destroyed the sound. So I think we're doing something good. Oh, let's go back in System 32. So let's go System 32. And let's just delete a random file. Let's delete some DLLs. Where is it? All the things we've opened. So, where? Oh, it's here. Okay, so where is... Here we go. So we're just gonna start... Whoa. 258 items. And the ones we can't delete, we're just gonna tell it don't. Looks like we can't delete anything in System 32. Come on. I want to mess it up. I want to delete stuff in System 32. Looks like we can't delete anything because nothing's going in the recycle bin. So let's just start doing like something like this. Just open a random folder and start deleting because it looks like... Okay, some of the files are opened by another program. We can't delete everything. We're just going to start opening random files that aren't System 32 and just start deleting at this point. Because it looks like things in System 32 don't want to get deleted. Well, still things aren't going in the recycle bin, but I see things getting deleted, so maybe they're just not even going in the recycle bin. Because, yeah, it says permanently delete, so maybe we did delete some things in System 32. So, looks like some things are getting deleted. Oh, it doesn't want me to go in that folder. Okay, I won't go in there then. Ooh, security. That's a good file to delete, except we probably can't even delete anything in it. So, yeah. We probably can't delete anything. I'm back. Sorry about that. So, things are getting deleted. Good thing they're actually not even going in the recycle bin. That's awesome. Everything in security is deleted. Let's go in setup and delete things in there. I don't know if we can delete this folder. We can try. Oh, it deleted. Nice. So, system resources. Ooh, let's delete this stuff because it looks like these are apps. I don't know if it's going to let us delete this or not. No, it's not going to let us. But that's okay, because there's more files to delete in other random locations. Like, let's delete help. We don't need help. We know how to use this. Let's just go and delete this crap, except it's not going to let us delete everything. That's too bad. But it let us delete some. Well, sometimes you can just delete things in it, but it looks like this stuff probably can't be deleted. Let's go in here and delete this. Continue. Continue for everything. Skip the ones we can't delete. And just delete the ones we can delete. Ooh, what's this? This, oh yeah, this is interesting. This looks interesting to me. Delete. Delete. This looks very interesting. Wow, oh my gosh, 7,000 items. While that deletes, let's delete some registry keys. Come on. This is really gonna destroy it. All the file extensions. while it deletes everything in that folder. We can multitask here. This is gonna probably be put in a movie or a video, Movie Maker. Cause guys, Movie Maker started working on my computer again. Woohoo! I know it works in the Windows 10, I never tried it in 7, but I can move them over to the other side and just make the movie in there. In Windows 10. Looks like that file might be getting deleted. Well, it's preparing to delete, in a way. Looks like we're about to get to .exe. We want .exe deleted. Goodbye, .exe. That means .exes don't run anymore. I'm not sure if that's exactly what it means. We're going to try to delete every registry key we can that it lets us delete, because we really want to destroy 8.1. And to be real honest, I think Windows 8.1 is already destroyed. I think if we were to reboot right now, it probably wouldn't boot up. I think we already destroyed it enough, but you know me, you just want to destroy it as much as possible. So let's just keep destroying it by deleting every file extension. This is gonna be fun. I bet this machine won't even boot up anymore. So it's deleting those, plus we're deleting these. Pretty much every file extension will exist. Okay, let's just, oh yeah, it's saying continue. Let's go to somewhere different. We deleted enough in there. Let's see. I can't delete those, apparently. I wish there's certain things it would let us delete. We delete it. Let's see. Oh yeah, we can delete that. Looks like, let's delete everything under here. I don't think you can delete anything in here. I think I tried. Yeah, we can't delete stuff there from that point. Let's see. We're really gonna mess this up. See, we can't delete that folder, but we can delete what's in the folder. Just like in here, it deleted everything in it. Did we freeze Registry Editor? No, we didn't. These are just all the same things before that we saw. See if we can delete. Whoa, what am I doing? See if we can delete clients. Oh, my screen recorder is going to run out of time, so I'm going to need to make another video now. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, I'm back. I just had my screen recorder ran out of time, so apparently that key can't be deleted, but it looks like our thing wants our attention and it won't delete, darn it. So we're just gonna have to skip the files we can't delete in that folder. Which pretty much a lot of things didn't delete, but I think it's still deleting. Anyways, let's go back in here and just start deleting stuff. So, can't delete that. Can't delete that. Let's see what we can do here. Some of it we can. Not everything, but some of it. So we're just gonna have to find out what we can delete. And the stuff we can't delete, we're just gonna have to move down the line. Because not everything will delete. Where was I? Right here. Let's just keep deleting stuff as much as we physically can off of this registry. Let's just keep going. So I think Windows 8.1 is going to be pretty destroyed from all the keys I'm deleting. I'm surprised it even lets you delete any, to be real honest. You'd think it wouldn't let you delete any of this stuff. There's some stuff you can't, but I'm surprised it even lets you delete anything. You think that they wouldn't. Well, the truth is, not all of these would mess it up. It's just certain functions aren't going to work right anymore. But there are some of these that could potentially mess up. You can already see the virtual machine is slowing down. And there's no sound. I don't know if you noticed. I don't think I've ever been in this part of the registry before. So let's just keep going until I actually crash it. I know there's a certain registry key you can delete to physically crash the registry editor, but why would I want to crash the registry editor? That'll be like the last key I'll probably delete if there's nothing else to delete. So let's just keep going. It looks like a lot of this I'm able to delete. For the most part, at least half of them will delete. If I start getting a point where a lot of this doesn't want to delete, I'll just go down. Looks like these are all wanting to delete now, for the most part. I know we can't delete Windows. Maybe we can delete Windows. I think we just completely froze the registry editor. Oh, maybe not. The Windows stuff, I don't think will delete. I don't think any of it will delete. Well, actually, some of it's deleting. Let me just tell you, this is going to be a pretty messed up Windows 8.1 install. If you guys want to mess up someone's computer, deleting the registries will do it. That's for sure. Why does this keep popping up on my computer? Okay. No, I don't want to delete. Okay, so we're only at a few more. Okay. So those are all the ones we could delete in there. All the ones we couldn't delete. But this stuff may delete. It did. Okay, so we're going to get rid of that. We're going to jump this down. This is the one that will crash Registry Editor. The control sets. Do not delete those. You will crash the Registry Editor if you do. In fact, I think it would crash the whole entire system. For positive if that one's deleted. So I'm not going to mess with that one. I'm going to delete it last. But it looks like there's nothing else to delete, so I may just end up deleting it completely. Okay, guys, I think it's gotten to that point. But before we actually delete that registry key, let's see how functional Windows 8.1 is right now. So currently, I think it's still deleting that. Yeah, it's still deleting. So XPS Viewer popped up. Something needs the following Windows feature. Let's install it. Oh, no such interfaces. Oh, I think that's because of all the registry keys we deleted. Looks like Windows Update standalone installer. Good nonsense. WordPad. This machine is going to crash and glitch and fail. So, and I spelled fail wrong, I know. There we go. Okay. Oh, before we do that, okay, so we're just, well, actually, let's minimize that. Let's not delete that. Windows script host, I don't know what that is. These are all the random things that's popped up. The about Windows, the media player thing, the Windows 8.1 features, Windows Easy Transfer, Windows Fax, no scanners installed, no duh. Windows Firewall, work folders, user account control settings, driver verifier manager, a requested resource, can it be located? Whatever this is. I don't know, you guys can take a look at that. And this looks like a lot of nonsense to me. Got Windows Update. Apparently something downloaded. But it says the file could be harmful, but I don't know why it's downloading. Extensive wizard host process, okay. Some weird log files. A blank notepad, and we got this PC, and then here's the other folder still. So we could see I think we've gained hard drive space, but now I can't seem to open anything. So obviously, and what's this? I don't know how this got on here. Guys, tell me what you think that is. I don't know. So we still got the registry editor open. We still got this machine's gonna crash, and we got all the other random nonsense. So let's just go ahead and delete that registry key. Oh, it looks like I think it finished deleting things in here. And it's actually, oh, we still can't. Okay, so nothing's gonna delete because we destroyed it so much, so let's just get out of there. We did gain a lot of space on the hard drive, and we're just now gonna delete that folder. So control set, can I delete two at once? Like, can I push like a key to highlight both or something? I don't know. Maybe not. I'm gonna delete control set 001 and really quick try to delete the other one. Now I'm warning you, if you delete this key, the registry is out of whack. The registry will crash. The registry editor is going to crash if you delete this. The reason why it's going to crash is because it really deletes a lot. Now, I don't know for certain because it might recover. It just might be because there's a lot of files in it. So actually this time, I'm going to let it sit for like a good 5 minutes. And I'm going to pause the video. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I've been back. It's been about 5 or 10 minutes. I paused the video and saved it because I was about to run out of time on that recording. So I didn't want it to stop in the middle of like restarting the machine. So registry editor is still stuck. I'm assuming. I don't know if it's still deleting or what, but it's stuck. I think it is deleting, but okay, so I got this still, and it still seems to be functioning. So you can see that even though the computer is pretty much destroyed right now, it's still functioning in WordPad, and maybe not, because it just froze. Oh, WordPad just froze. I know it's working. So you can see that I can make this. You can tell the computer is acting messed up. Oh. Whatever that means. You know, you can tell it's just messed up. When your computer does this, you know it's messed up very severely. So let's just let it, oh, it's giving us some nasty errors. It's probably gonna close. We go down here. The app will not run. The device is not ready. Let's try the links. Let's try let me choose. Ooh, it's giving me. I had this error already. I think in Windows 7. Wow. Okay, well, that won't work. Maybe try to open the Action Center. Ooh, it doesn't have a program associated because control panel's gone. See what else. Oh, it's been moved. You want to remove it? Sure. I think when I did that, it completely wiped everything. So we have run. It refuses to run anything. Do we have a search? Try regedit. The search is completely grayed out. I'm guessing that I did a lot of damage. Change PC settings. Doesn't do anything. It appears I actually froze it when I did that. Now it's like a blue screen, but there is a cursor. Let's try to send a Control-Alt-Delete. Ooh, that's not a good error to have. So cute. So I'm guessing at this point, we're just going to have to restart. So I'm guessing it's going to probably go to startup repair. It's toast. But let's just see. That's probably for certain what it's going to do. See, preparing automatic repair, because we did a lot of damage. We deleted like every registry key we could. I even let it sit there when it was deleting that one, so I think it deleted more than it ever has. And I even deleted stuff in System32 and stuff in all those other folders. So I really have done it this time. I've really corrupted Windows 8.1. It's not gonna recover from this, I don't think. You would have to reinstall Windows if this happens. But luckily, if you did have files you needed to back up, you could always get a rescue CD online, like Kaspersky Rescue Disk. That's mainly for viruses, but I think it has a file explorer. And if you plug your flash drive into your computer while it's on there, you could transfer files and do whatever you want. So if there's any important stuff you need, at least there's that option. But you know, in Windows 8, it's hard to boot up to a disk. You have to like try to figure out how to go to the BIOS on your computer. So saying now it says it didn't start right, but we're just going to restart and let it try again. If it does that again, we're going to tell it to do a startup repair, which in that point, it's probably going to say it can't repair and tell us a log file. And we're going to go open the log and see what the log says. See if it's the same as Windows 10. Because it might be, because Windows 8 and Windows 10 are pretty close. In a way. They're similar. Like, as in for the repair system and all that. At least that's similar. Just like in Windows 7 and Windows Vista, its like repair thing looks the same, pretty much. There's not really a difference besides the background being different. But in this, it looks exactly like 10. I wouldn't be able to know the difference if it was 8 or 10. So, it's diagnosing again. And let's see what happens. It's probably, see, it didn't start right, so let's just go to Advanced. Troubleshoot. Advanced options. You can see, look at the mouse, it's trailing. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's trailing. And on my computer, it's not, but on this one it is. Let's go to Start Repair. What the heck? I think we really messed something up because we are administrator on here. So I don't know. I think we really messed something up because we can't do startup repair, so I don't think we can do command prompt either if we're not administrator. What can we do? Nothing will run without being an administrator, and it appears that whatever we did knocked that out. So there's not much. We're pretty limited to what we can do now with this virtual machine. I think the control set thing or something did. Okay, so we're on this menu now. Let's try debugging. Still does the same thing. We're going to try safe mode next, but I'm going to pause the video real fast. I think it's just going to sit here. I don't know. Or it's going to move on. So I'm going to... Actually, I don't think it's doing anything. I think it's just stuck. Let's just reset the machine. So, pretty much, this machine's gone. I wish I could see logs and stuff, but I knocked out the administrative privileges when I deleted all that stuff. So now we're not going to be able to see the log this time. It looks like it's not even going to go past this. So, maybe it got more messed up? I have no clue. Oh no, there it goes. Well, I'm going to pause this video real fast. So once again, it says it didn't start right. We know that. So we're just going to go back into the setting we can go into. And we're going to try safe mode this time. Which I don't think... Or actually, we're going to try that one and then the system failure one. The automatic restart on system failure. I don't think it's going to do anything though, since there's no blue screens, and it's just the automatic repair loop. I think I'm just going to reset. No, it looks like it's going now. We're going to do the system failure one now. So I'm going to pause this. Alright, so it didn't start right again. We know that. And basically, the only setting we could do is the startup settings one. So, let's try that one more time. And we're going to do the failure one. So, oh, same thing. Just postpone that so it doesn't restart on me. So yeah, automatic repair. Windows 8.1 gone. In fact, the machine is going to get deleted. So, let's just delete that machine right now. So we're gonna go into here because it takes up space and it's gone. It's destroyed. This Windows 10 works. I'm gonna keep it. I actually do the insider builds on it. I have insider builds and I check out all the new builds with it and stuff. Hopefully there's gonna be a new build tomorrow. So anyways, thanks for watching this video. I destroyed Windows 8.1. If there's any other OSs you want me to destroy, please leave a comment and I'll destroy it for you guys and have a video. So, yeah, thanks for watching and bye-bye for now.